Hey guys, so a lot of you have been asking me how to actually do your own beard, and it's okay if you fail at first, but basically you're gonna want to need one of these. It's like a straight blade. You can get it on Amazon for like 10 bucks. They usually come with like the blades themselves. There's like 100 for each pack that you get. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put a new blade each time you put it, like every 3 or 4 uses. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how it's gonna go down. So basically when you do your left side of the cheek, you want to just hold it right here, so like this, using your pinky like right here, and then using your thumb on the L, just like so. And then you want to use your basically however you feel comfortable, right? In holding the straight blade. I like doing it like this, with keeping my index finger on the blade. So like, and you want to put it as angled to your face as possible. So like, it shouldn't hurt. If it's hurting, just change the angle of it. And basically, how you want to do it is, it depends on preference, but my thing goes up like this and then it goes down like that. Or if you want the one where it's a pokey end right here, you just basically want to shave it all the way to the end until it's about there. But since mine goes up like this, I'm just gonna stop right here, and then I'm just gonna glide up. And then that's it. And then you do the same thing on the other side. So that now it looks, somewhat even. Basically this would cost you, what, $5 extra at the barber, or maybe 10 at personal ones. But now, what you want to do is you want to line up your under neck. So just same thing on your neck. Be careful when you get to this area because it's a little more sensitive. And yeah, that's basically how that's done. So after you wipe the excess shaving cream off, you're gonna notice that there's gonna be some hairs that you probably missed out on. So you're gonna want to just double check. So it looks like on this side I might have just missed this little area right here. So I'm just gonna quickly just line it up. And yeah, as you can see, it's pretty straight. So on this side, it seems like it kind of curved up a little bit, so I'm just gonna fix that. And as you can see, that's pretty straight. Now, this right here is preference if you want to keep that or not. So instead of using a straight blade, because I don't like using it right here because it's a little bit sensitive and it's harder for me to do, and I wouldn't recommend doing it. So what I do is I use a trimmer. It's like a Philips Series 3000. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly trim this area with this. Yeah, so after you get your cut, you know, and the barber asks if you want to do the beard, you won't have to because you got a tutorial from me. That's how you do it.